wiki.iseevy.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best streamer kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. With so many capable smartphones on the market, the Gloue tripod is an eminently viable choice. It sports a ring light with a color temperature that adjusts from 3000 to 6000 K and a stand that extends from 17 to 65 inches tall. It comes with 2 USB charging ports and a Bluetooth remote control, but note that it's not for use with PCs. At number 6, perfect for creating high-definition content on the go, the iseevy HEM4G4 boasts 4G LTE and dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to upload videos in real time using the H.264 or H.265 codec and either AAC or MP3 audio. It shoots in 1080p at 60 frames per second and can run on an external battery. However, it is extremely expensive. Coming in at number 5 on our list, an affordable choice, the Stream Team Abel Gaming includes a 1080p webcam, a stereo microphone, and a ring light with a straightforward control box, though it doesn't deliver top-of-the-line audio. It works with most operating systems and features an automatic low-light adjustment, but it can only record at up to 30 frames per second. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.iseevy.com. Go there now and search for streamer kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the Zoom H4n Pro bundle is designed for documenting interviews, so it comes with a pair of microphones, stands and cables to complement the handheld recorder, which is also suitable for recording live music. It's equipped with 2 XLR inputs and a backlit LCD, and it's backed by a 1-year warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Uhuru UM925 is equipped with a spring-loaded articulating arm that clamps to your desk, and it also comes with a miniature tripod. It includes a USB cable for connection and is capable of sample rates of up to 192 kHz. It features a 25mm diaphragm in the microphone, which has a cardioid polar pattern, and it includes a pop filter and a windscreen. At number 2, the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 Studio is equipped with 2 combination XLR and 1/4-inch inputs that are suitable for microphones as well as instruments. It comes with a cardioid condenser microphone and closed-back headphones and offers direct monitoring. And coming in at number 1 on our list, designed to streamline the production process without taking up much desk space, the Marantz Professional Turret includes an auto-focusing webcam, a microphone with a pop filter, and convenient controls mounted on the body. It boasts a 1080p resolution and a brightness knob, and comes with a pair of headphones too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.iseevy.com. Go there now and search for streamer kits, or simply click beneath this video.